Visit fatburneronly.com for the best weight loss products. How to lose weight fast and reduce your cravings is one of the most powerful things you can do to lose weight quickly. Click the link in the description to buy the weight loss drink. Losing stubborn belly fat with morning and overnight fat cutting drink is the easiest and most effective way to melt away the stomach fat. If you want to lose stomach fat fast, you need to try this miracle morning and overnight fat burning drink. Lose weight fast and increase your metabolism with this fat burning miracle drink. A maverick Japanese doctor recently leaked the secret ingredients of an ancient Japanese tonic that targets the root cause of deep belly fat and activates a powerful little-known fat-burning hormone inside you that melts away all your stubborn body fat. Firefighter Mike Banner's 45-year-old sister, Susan, lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks with no exercise due to osteoarthritis in her damaged knee. Make sure to drink this tasty potent Japanese tonic before 10 a.m. to melt twice as much fat as 1 hour on a joint-destroying treadmill. This is an independent Okinawa flat belly tonic review by Perfect Livings. As its name suggests, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a healthy tonic that supports weight loss by accelerating your metabolic performance and encouraging natural fat melting in the body. The powder-based supplement is based on a blend of herbs and spices that fight inflammation and promote pound melting too. Since the means to all this is natural, the formula comes without any risk of side effects. Click the link in the description to buy the weight loss drink. Struggle with weight loss is real. It's much tougher than what magazines and success stories portray, and sometimes even impossible. But instead of working on maintaining motivation levels, you need to start working on finding the right solution that is not difficult to stick with and is also effective. Want some help? Try Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Read the following review to know more about its working, benefits, recipe, ingredients, and other important details. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powdered drink for internal weight loss support. It comes from a professional, Mike Banner, who is also behind a weight loss program, proving that Banner is an educated and experienced fit for the preparation of this solution. Essentially, the blend of herbs and spice is traced from Japan, where people are known for their healthy weight and ideal physique. Since most of the herbs and spices are safe to take and don't pose a plethora of side effects, you can say that this solution is safe and will suit you as well. This removes worries of adverse health risks from the equation. Additionally, the formula not only helps with weight loss support but also works to improve your cardiovascular health by improving your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The powder solution helps with enhancing your energy levels too and curtailing inflammation, all health pointers that are really significant for overall health well-being. Click the link in the description to buy the weight loss drink.